Hey guys, we want your lady's Yandy gear to fit properly. So here's a quick tutorial on how to secretly find her size. All you need is a soft tape measurer. First up is the bust measurement. Find a bra she wears often and check the size. 34 is her under bust measurement, and you add 1 inch for every cuff size. 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, and D is 4 inches, so her bust measurement is 38 inches. Second is the waist measurement. Find a dress in her closet with a structured or defined waistline and lay it on a flat surface. The waist is the inverted curve area a few inches below the bust. With your soft tape measure, measure across the waistline. Double that number to get her waist measurement. Our dress is 12 inches across, so the waist measurement is 24 inches. Last is the hip measurement. Grab a pair of her jeans, zip and button and lay them on a flat surface. The hip area is typically 1.5 inches below the bottom of the zipper, not the top of the jeans. With your soft tape measure, measure across the hip area. Double that number to get her hip measurement. Our jeans are 19 inches across, so the hip measurement is 38 inches. Now that you have your measurements, it's very easy to determine her size. Each product has a unique size chart, so we recommend checking the sizing for every item you want to purchase. Simply find where her measurements are on the chart, and you'll have the corresponding size. If she falls in between sizes, size up. And that's it. You're ready to shop. Have fun!
Hey guys, it's Lauren. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe to our channel.